guys, let's make some yummy rice sticks or Singapore noodles. Anyhow you know it, let's make it. So first off, I'm just gonna be soaking my rice sticks in some boiling hot water. While that is sitting for a few minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and fry my marinated chicken pieces and prawns. So because I just mixed the prawns with my marinated chicken, I decided to add soy sauce while frying it, so you can add a little more flavor to the prawns. So you stir fry that for a while, then you take it out. In the same pot, you scramble your eggs and set that aside. And mind you, you can decide to use any protein of choice. You can decide not to even use what I'm using. You can use your own proteins. Next, I go ahead to fry my sausages, and then I would keep that aside. So in the pot that I'm going to be cooking the rice sticks, I'm going to go ahead and saute my onions, caramelize it. And I'm going in with this rosemary. Next, with all the colors of the peppers I'm using, I fry that. Next, I add up my spices. So you can make use of any spices that you have, but I had paprika, ginger powder, all-purpose seasoning, and garlic. Next, I go in with my sweet chili sauce, oyster sauce, and of course, soy sauce. So that's what is the oyster sauce and soy sauce that gives it this dark look. So yes, I stir that for a while. Next, I go in with my already soft rice sticks, return all the things I fried before, the sausages, the eggs, the shrimps, the chicken, then mix everything together, and you have this yummy, delicious, oh my god, yummy bowl of deliciousness staring right back at you. So guys, I have a story to share. You guys, my husband fell into my trap today. How can somebody just sit down and say he does not eat chicken, but you can eat egg? You don't eat chicken, but you eat chicken cousin, that is turkey. Hey. So I had some marinated chicken in the freezer. We've not been having lights for a while, so I decided to, use it inside this food that I'm cooking here. As you can see, for the full recipe of this food, by the way, just check out my YouTube channel, guys. So I said, what am I going to do with my husband? How am I going to tell my husband that I added chicken inside this food? I decided to, keep quiet, because he did not ask. He said, let me just keep quiet. And guess what? My hubby ate 2 plates of this food. He cleared the plate. When he finished, I said, was it? He said, very delicious. Wow. He was praising me. I was like, that's nice. That's good. And I said, so that chicken where you don't chop inside that food now, the thing kill you. He said, no, that was turkey. That was turkey. I said, for where? Turkey where? That chicken there inside. It's a lie. Guys, please tell me, am I a bad wife? Am I a bad wife for doing that? Because divide that food and start cooking 2 different pots of food. I'm like, God, I beg. Especially this Monday morning that I woke up 6 a.m. I was so late. I had to, rush to cook everything. No, so far as that thing is not going to kill you, it's not even doing anything to you. Why would you reject it? So if this is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. Do not be a stranger. Kindly hit that big red subscribe button below this video and join the family. Don't forget to click on the all notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And to my returning subbies, my OGs, thank you so much for always coming back to support your girl. God bless you. Anywho, thanks for watching, guys. Hugs and kisses. Have a blessed and productive week ahead. Bye-bye. Don't try this in your house.
Day 2.
If you can't cook, don't accept an engagement ring. Learn how to cook first before you bring out your finger. Use your finger to cook before you stretch it out. If you cannot cook, keep your finger. When you hear a young girl say, my best meal is Indomie, that's an advertisement of laziness. That's how to know lazy people. Ask them, what do you like? Indomie. That's laziness personified. The dean and the registrar, faculty of laziness. That is the person talking to you. Am I talking to somebody here? Or you ask somebody, say, pounded yam with so and so soup. When you hear the person talk, you know somebody who is ready to spend time. Continue. That is a marriage material. When we say certain things, people think that we are personal. We are personal about it. But it's not true. Even though a man should also know how to augment and help himself once in a while, a woman is not wired to be a slave. A woman is not created and wired to be secondary or second-handed or second place or second fiddle. But no man should marry a woman who cannot cook.
Precious.
That is the truth. Because even if you don't eat, your children will eat. Even if your children don't eat, strangers will eat. Am I talking to somebody here? If you can't cook, don't accept an engagement ring. Learn how to cook first before you bring out your finger. Use your finger to cook before you stretch it out. If you cannot cook, keep your finger.
Day 3.
Ocean waves, melody so light, drifting us away. Everything's alright. Close your eyes, let the world fade. Feel the rhythm. Soft ocean waves, melody so light, drifting us away. Everything's alright. Close your eyes, let the world fade. Feel the rhythm of a soothing serenade. Twilight sky, painted in pastel. Each moment gentle, heartfelt and well. Twilight skies, painted in pastels. Each moment gentle, heartfelt and well.
Day 4. Stars above with their soft glow, lighting up the night. Peaceful stream, Early the next
soft ocean waves, melody so light, drifting us away. Everything's alright. Close your eyes, let the world fade. Feel the rhythm of a soothing serenade. Soft ocean waves, melody so light, drifting us away. Everything's alright. Close your eyes, let the world fade. Feel the rhythm of a soothing serenade.
pastels, each moment gentle, heartfelt and warm. Stars above with their soft glow, lighting up the night. Peaceful stream, soft ocean waves, melody so light, drifting us away.